A recent poll conducted in Nigeria, the giant of Africa, indicated that Mr. Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, if election is conducted today, will win the election ahead of the APC presidential candidate of Bola Tinubu, Atiku Abubakar of People's Democratic Party, the main opposition party in Nigeria, and others. The result of that poll has sent ripples among the political elites. And people keep asking, why is Mr. Peter Obi very popular? Why is every youth identifying with him? Here is the answer. Watch this video from CNN.
Young people in the country say they are desperate for good governance amid concerns about high inflation, a depreciated local currency, and kidnapping for ransom by bandits. And 61-year-old Peter Obi appears to be a messiah of sorts for this generation, aged 24 and below, who make up around 32% of the population, according to the United Nations Population Fund. Wayumi Lube is 24 and is one of the organizers of a movement supporting Obi known as Obedience.
The Obedient movement is pretty simple. We're just a group of frustrated Nigerians who want good governance. It's as simple as that. And we're running for presidency. Each and every one of us in the Obedient movement is running for presidency through Peter Obi. Said all of this, and we took it. We harnessed that pain, that energy, and said, look, we're not going to just let this die. The Sorosuke movement is just a continuation. It's not even just about Peter Obi. Definitely, Peter Obi is the quote-unquote poster child for good governance, but it's about us Nigerians. When do we start to speak up for ourselves?
This is why Mr. Peter Obi seems to be very popular. The youth of Nigeria, they are tired of misrule, tired of not being accountable. Some of them are desperate for role models. But what do they find? Check this video from Imo State, where an uncompleted road was allegedly commissioned by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He was invited by the governor of Imo State to commission that road. That half of it has been done, the other half has not been done. Remember, in the same Imo State, today we heard of a change of leadership of the House of Assembly. In a lifespan of the Assembly of 4 years, in 3 years, they have had 4 speakers. And what does it show? Incompetence, lack of focus. Watch this video with me.
Our high service governor, in a bid to satisfy our commander-in-chief Buhari, that visiting him will stay by tomorrow. You can imagine. He has employed a series of firefighters to use their water dispenser to wash the road in the commissioning with soap and oil.
The video you have seen, it speaks volume. This is why the Nigerian youth are desperate for a new beginning. This deceit from our leaders. Today, the National Association of Nigerian Students occupied the Lagos airport, trying to make a point that they have been at home for too long, while those in charge are whining and dining. For how long will this continue? Then, this desperate bid to stop Obi, when everybody is saying that it's now or never. And people are saying that is God's given time.
This movement, it seemed to be a sovereign, God-orchestrated movement. It's not just a movement by a political party or some individual. With the current rise of young people, they're not asking Peter Obi or Ahmed Yusuf to give them permission. They're just going out on their own. I said before that even if Peter Obi and Ahmed Yusuf decide today to step down, The movement has gone too far to turn back. There's no going back. The movement to take Nigeria back has gone too far to reverse. And they say, oh, they are only just on social media. They used to say, but are they saying it anymore? Because they can see the movement is for real. They are determined. The young people and some other people that are with them want to take the nation back. Somebody asked you, are you also obedient? Yes, I'm obedient. I'm obedient. Oh, but you can't be obedient when you're from Kaduna State. Oh, I've suffered. We have suffered. Then I should be allowing Kaduna State. Oh, no, you're from the north. You're from the north. What has that done to me? I just want to see a new Nigeria. If the Igbo man has the answer, Peter Obi, I am going to support him because we've tried our northern brothers. What did we get? Death, poverty. Come and see how our people are poor in the north. So let's allow this Igbo. And they are very adventurous people. Igbos are in Kano. They are in Sokoto. They are all over the place. They're the ones that are very creative, very innovative. They are risk takers. They're able to go and do business anywhere. That's why we need somebody like Peter Obi. Where Nigeria is now, we need a shrewd business person. We need a smart business person. Some people are saying why we don't want Peter Obi is because he's too stingy. Yes, Nigeria, you need a stingy leader that will not put money in his own pocket, but a person that will know how to administer our God-given resources so that all this stealing, this embezzlement, where one person will steal money and fill up a whole warehouse and people are dying of hunger. So we need somebody like Peter Obi that has a proven record of how to manage accountability. And that's why somebody like Peter is the kind of person we need. His running mate is Ahmed Yusuf. Ahmed Yusuf is also another young, shrewd person that understands about cutting cost of governance, understands about the need to build a new Nigeria. So let's join this movement and make it happen. Anybody that is fighting this movement, you are an enemy to Nigerians. You must have another agenda you are after. Your agenda is not Nigeria, I can tell you.
2023 general election will say if we stay or not stay together as a nation, in my opinion, or we define the future of Nigeria. Better put that way. Why the desperate bid to stop Peter Obi? To me, and open whispers, the bid to stop Obi are those who have skeletons in their cupboard. The status quo. Those who are benefiting from a wrong system. Because in every system that is bad, people who benefit from it see it as a perfect system. Nigeria will not be an exception. The elites who have tried to stop Obi, Dilo Menaye, Reno Omokare, who said that the obedience are unruly. But these are people who have tried to paint Obi as a tribal candidate. These are people who have tried one way or the other to say that Obi will labor and labor even or the obedience. Nobody sees anything wrong with those people. But when people who are tired of the misrule in Nigeria, when the youths whose future have been trampled upon are tired, they are speaking out. You cannot beat a child and stop that child from also crying. This is what is obtainable now in the political space. Why are they afraid of Obi? These are people who want to maintain the status quo, to protect what they have stolen. But now, the youth are saying, according to Aisha Yusuf, is now or never. The wildfire is gathering, and I hope the youth rights for good governance, the right to choose, will not be trampled upon. It may spell what Nigeria may not handle. Allow them to cry out their frustrations. Allow them to vote, and allow their votes to be counted upon. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. See something, say something, and please do something. Kindly remember to subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, share the video and let everybody get it. To know that the obedient movements, they are not unruly. They are tired. They are frustrated, desperate for a hero, desperate for a role model. and they see it in Obedati movement. Thank you and God bless you.